What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler here, back again, man. Come on. I told you I'm gonna start grinding now because I just want to get this car done to scratch. It's just little things that need to be changed and stuff like that. And you lot have all been asking me about this one. So today's video is gonna answer everyone. I've gone for a pick, but before the video starts, this video is sponsored by B7 Performance. As I was saying in all the other videos, make sure to go hit him up. If you want anything cheap for your car, parts and etc., make sure to hit him up. As you can see, if you lot haven't seen, obviously I've done it with my cars as well. The quality of the materials are pretty good. Make sure to use the 10% of my discount code, which is Tyler Scott in all capitals, for 10% off of all parts. In today's video, everyone's been saying to me, oh, are you going to get the open mouth? Are you going to get the Asian grill? You're going to get, like, so on and so on, right? And now it's got to a point I've actually gone, Joe, what, fuck this, I'm going to get a grill. I've looked into it. I'm trying to be more different than everyone else because I feel like certain people keep getting these grills too much. So I thought, Joe, I'll get the opposite. So this video is changing my front grille. Let's show you. Right, guys, this is what I've gone for. It is a honeycomb Asian grill. It absolutely is absolutely sexy as hell. I just love how, like, this bit's got the bit I'm getting is the fact that this bit here is like, it's like a finish with like a matte on the honey side. But after the honey side, yes, the number plate will be there. Up here's got another honey side onto it, which is nice. But both sides have got I'll see these little square bits, which makes it called an Asian grill. Stands out so much. There's two different, how do you put it? Two different textures on it. Oh mate, it looks absolutely fucking sexy, man. This is why I wanted it, because it's got the honey side and it's got the gloss black and it's mixed. If I put too much white on the car, it just looks horrendous. So I'm starting to mix and mix. Yeah, boy. Come on now, mate. Enough of that. Let's get straight to the video. Right, guys, this is what you got to do if you have a Zetec S like mine. I say yes, I've took off the number plate before all this. Basically, there's grooves in every part. So if I show you with my the new one, oh, almost broke it. If I show you the new one, have you seen like how many, like, oh, why does it keep moving? Have you seen how many of these there is behind it? So I don't know how much there is, but look, obviously it's half covered. But you got, like, look, one here, one there. You got one there. You got one there, and there. And you got, like, it's just loads of it around it. But what you're doing is when you inside, you don't have to take the bump off on this one, right? Behind it, when you first go to the top, which is, like, best way to say it's this bit. When you go underneath like that, or go on this one, you would feel this bit. And you push down, and then pull it out, and you just go around and do exactly the same with all the others. Get your fingers on this bit, push down, pull off, push down, pull off, push down, pull off, and it's exactly like that. So I'll go back out, loving the swag, look at that. But now this is what I'm saying, look, and look, it comes off, and this is where you start seeing some dirty shit. That's that. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And there you have it. But what we're going to be doing first is make sure we're cleaning that first. And that is the old piece of shit. Rah, mate, actually first opening that, man. considering my car is actually like, was it 2009 this is? But the condition on that is actually not too bad, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, what we do, quickly get this wipe, oh, turn it off. Quickly wipe this down, even though I've already cleaned the car. Quickly give this a wipe down, and then put a new one on. It's time to fit it on. Right, it's my first time doing this. Right, push. Need to push everything on. See, I can see that bit. I think I should have done the bottom first, actually. Now this is the actual final. Mate, this looks so much better. That. You see what I'm saying? How like the black bits here, they stand out quite good. So good. We've come a long way with this car, not even gonna lie. That's what made me think, like, you see where the black bits, the gloss black bits here, I was gonna have them originally white, but now looking at it, like, if I had a white piece there, it would be too much, and I think nah. But that one compared to the old one, oh my days, that's a big difference, man. But no, car looking nice. Got more ideas coming, I've got more parts coming, so stay tuned. End of the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for all this support. You know full well, you can see by obviously my profile, we're almost at 2K. It's definitely a grind, I'm gonna keep grinding. But yeah, all I can say is thank you for everything. I can't thank you enough. It's kind of changed my life, and I can see you lot actually giving me faith to change it, and I much appreciate it, to be fair. So thank you. Make sure to share, like and subscribe. I will definitely see you in my next video.